Snowballs light on the falcon tonight, not a footprint to be seen. A kingdom of isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is telling like this swirling storm inside. Couldn't keep it in, heaven overside. Tried. Don't let them in, don't let them see. Be the good girl you always have to be. Grandma. Feel, don't feel, don't let them know. And now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. And I don't care, like they're going to say, let the storm rage on. A cold never bother me anyway. It's when you have some distance, makes anything seem small, and the feels can once control me, can't get to me at all. It's time to see what I can do to test the railings I'm saying through. No likes, no rules, no rules for me. And breathe, let it go, let it go.
Yay, very good.
My turn. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the very best singer, Olivia. I know I have to show you yesterday a door, so I feel so we can.
Can I hold it? I will hold it still.
No, we have to. So we have love.
I can see, I can do it, I can do it.
I can't do that meal, and I can't do another meal, and I have to do this whole world, and I have to do the dress, never do the pen, never do all the